When you look at the recession fears, what everything is talking about inflation, what does it mean for the Dubai property market, which is extremely strong at the moment?
Well, Dubai property market is doing amazingly good. The demand is there. And don't forget, we had 4 years of slowdown. So a lot of supply was also, been kept away. So now there is a huge demand. Dubai has managed the COVID time very well, and the Expo, and the world leaders, the world businessmen, people from all over the world came to Dubai in Expo and realized it's a hidden jewel from all the angles. From the tax, from the safety, security.
Yeah. And so this is people from the region. How many Russian residents, for example, do you have? Do you have a lot of demands?
There are Russian coming, but not to the extent which people talk about it and is there. So I don't think a big number of Russian, but we have demands from, the biggest demand this time has come from Europe, from Germany, from UK, from Scandinavian country, from Romania. We have customers coming from Eastern Europe.
So talk to me a little bit about your reasoning behind delisting the company. You delisted the company,
yes,
but actually just when the property market was also booming.
No, we planned that in 2019.
Yeah.
And we submitted our application to the government, to ESCA, in February, end of February, beginning of March of 2020. And then our stock prices was 40 fils. But the process took longer. And we bought it at 1.4. So we bought it about, almost 3 times than what it was. But that's fine. We have no regret on that.
No regrets. Do you worry about a recession?
I worry about the recession in Europe. From my readings, that the recession in the US is going to be very mild and going to be very quick. Europe is going to could be very hard landing, but it all depends on the war with Ukraine, with Russia, and which direction that war going to go. If a ceasefire happen in the coming few months, and I hope so, then I think they will have a recession, but mild, and will not last very long. If that war goes for longer, and gas prices or the supply of gas get interrupted, then they could have a harsh landing.
And what does that mean for property in Dubai?
Fortunate or unfortunate, whatever you call it, property Dubai is benefiting from any crisis around the world. So property prices benefiting Dubai. A lot of people finding Dubai safe haven, coming to invest, coming to live. I know a number of wealthy people from Europe. They're coming, moving their families because they find it tax-wise very attractive, and connectivity is there. And believe it or not, Zoom has made a big difference. Okay, or people can communicate over the Zoom, so they can do their business over the video.
I mean, what's doing really well at the moment is of course, real estate space, but branded with fashion brands. So I think there's something with Cavalli, there are condos that has that luxurious stamp of a well-known fashion brand. How many are you planning to do in terms of these collaborations?
We just launched 7 months ago, our Cavalli Tower, and it was amazing response, and it was sold out within no time. We launched now our product called Safa One, which is by Grozogono, which is a brand we bought, Swiss jewelry brand, and we're planning to expand it. And as a matter of fact, we're looking to partner with jewelry companies in Asia, in USA, and Europe for the Grozogono.
And you'll do more after that?
And we just did Safa 2, which was just last week, and is doing very well. So we see now how things go in October, after summer.
Now, your firm also allows actually transactions to be paid in cryptocurrencies.
Yes.
I mean, the volatility in the last couple of weeks must have hurt.
No, when we allow that, people pay in crypto, we sell it immediately, and we don't take the risk of the crypto. We sell it immediately in a matter of 48 hours and take our cash.
So why do you allow crypto?
Because there were a lot of customers who had crypto, remember, a few months ago, and they were making a lot of money, and they wanted to cash out. So they want to buy a real estate and, reduce their crypto exposure.
Okay, very interesting. I mean, I don't know whether you'll curtail that in the future, because even in 48 hours, there's so much volatility, it could actually be more painful to sell at the same price.
No, okay, there is a margin of of safety, or there is a margin of profit that as a business you calculate that into your pricing. That's normal.